Today we will be talking about another database that we have subscribed for you, which is the Gale database. The Gale database offers a variety of resources, both academic and peer-reviewed. They offer articles, magazines, newspapers, ebooks, primary source documents, and videos as well. So whenever you are doing your research, it is a good thing that you can come to this database for your research work. The username and password has been shared with you. So once you put in your details, your login details, this is the page that will open up. Now we have subscribed to 5 databases: the ebooks, the general one file, the literary index, high school edition, and news. Now we will look at each of these databases one by one. The ebook database has encyclopedias and reference sources. So let's look at this database. Over here, you can search, you can do a basic search as well as an advanced search. You can search by subject, publication, or an entire document. Now, if I am doing my research on World War I and I want to know what books are there on World War I can just put in my details over here and I get these many number of resources. I get a total of 23,000 ebooks that are written on World War I. If I further want to narrow it down, I can go to my subjects and I can just see, I can select this and I can narrow my search further. Now I open this book and I see, I go through this and I find that it is relevant for me. So before I do that, I can create my own login account within Gale. So I can sign in. It is good that you can sign in with your Google account. So once I sign in with my Google account, whatever changes, whatever citations I save will get saved to my account. So here I get saved, it gets saved. Now I go through this and I want to highlight the first paragraph. I think it is relevant for my research. I can add a note over here or I can cite this. So this is my citation and I can save my citation over here. I can also email this, I can download it, or I can even print this. I go through the whole thing and I can even translate over here. So there is the option of translation as well. There are quite a few languages over here. So I can even translate it in French or in Hindi or in Spanish. I have this option with me. I can, if I am not interested in reading the whole thing, I can even listen to it. I can increase the, decrease the font size as well. I go through this and I want information more related to this. So here I have the more like this option, which I can view related articles. Here I have the contents of this article and I have the related subjects also. I have the table of contents over here, so I can go through it. I have, this is the article view. If I want to read it in a book view, I can read it in a book view as well. This is the book view option for the ebook. I can cite the whole thing. It is a 366 page book. I can cite, I can download, I can print, I can get a link, and here I can see the highlights as well. So whatever I have highlighted, I can see it over here and I can see my citation as well. So this is about ebooks. Now the next database is the General One File database. Here you can access general interest magazines and key serials. If you are starting off with your research and you do not know what to do, how to go about doing what is, you want to do your literature review, this is a very good site where you can come and do your literature review. You can browse by topic. So you think that, okay, I want to do my research in history, but I am not very sure what are the topics. So here is the topic finder. So I go to my topic finder. I say the American Civil War. So here I get the various subtopics on the American Civil War. So I say Confederate. Again, in Confederate, I say Union. So I have got 4 articles talking about the American Civil War of the Union. So again, I can do a general search on the American Civil War. Again, over here, I can narrow it down by subjects. I can narrow it down by document type. If I am looking at an article or a book review or a cover story, and by publication as well. So I have got I have got magazines, I have got academic journals, books, news articles, images, videos, and even audios. So I have a whole rounded research data material right over here at my fingertip. So I want to see if there are any news articles on the veterans. So I can look at these news articles. I want to see if there are any images. These are some of the images that are there. What are the videos that are there? Again, I see this video. I feel that, okay, I look at this video and I have the transcript as well below. Then I can email this, I can download it, and I can print it. I can send it on my Google Drive and email or even the OneDrive. I can even cite this video. So if I am using this video in my research, I have my ready-made citation. I just have to click on the MLA 8th edition and I get my citation. The next database is the Gale Literary Index. Now, if you want to know with any of the databases, what information is there, this is the master index where you will find the coverage of authors and works in the products published by Gale. The next is the high school edition. So here also it is a research database. Now I am looking at, say I have to do a project on Jane Austen's Mansfield Park. So I put Mansfield Park, the novel, and I see what material is there. So again, I have got magazines, academic journals, books, and news. I can even create a search alert. So if there are new results that have been placed in Gale, you will get an email that for your search. So I want to see if there are any academic journals. So I look at this. And again, it is the same thing. I read this. I can highlight this. I can write a note again. I can add a note, and I can say, okay, all right, this is relevant, and I just save it. So this gets highlighted. Now the next and the last database is the OneFile News. If you are looking if you have been given a research and you have to find primary source news articles, this is the database that you could go to. Supposing I want to see what is the news coverage on the recent Afghanistan political crisis. So I just put Afghanistan, Taliban. So I have these and they are quite relevant. So you see the dates, they are very recent and quite relevant. Again, if I want to narrow it down to maybe what Biden is saying or on the refugees, I can narrow down my search further. Here again, I can say articles, conference news, broadcast transcripts. I can narrow it down by document type as well. So this sums up the Gale database that we have subscribed for you.